Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are taking on a project at a cottage. So here we are rolling up to this absolutely gorgeous property. Look at that lake view. Oh, we were very jealous, very tempted to take our sweet time so we could stay here a little longer. So we're coming in with all the tools. The vinyl and the nosings have already been delivered. So we're going to go ahead and get ourselves set up and ready to go. We do like to leave all of our cutting tools outside. Oh, look at that view, friends. So that we're not bringing any dust or debris into the property, but that we're not going too far back and forth. So I'm going to go ahead and get the saws set up and ready so that we can go ahead and do this installation. This customer had reached out to us. They were so incredibly excited. They've had this property for quite a while, and they did install the vinyl plank flooring themselves, and they had visioned this for these stairs that they have here. Again, cottage property. You can see there the flooring that's in place, but these steps are just really, really worn down. Very, very interesting, unique shape. And so while they envisioned being able to put the vinyl on it, they just couldn't logistically imagine it ever happening. So they were so excited when they found us online. They found us through YouTube and then headed over to our website at stepupvinyl.ca. And we are here today to make those dreams come true. So the sides of the stairs have been painted white, and we're going to go ahead and get started on this installation. So these bottom stairs are what we call a closed stair, just meaning that there's walls on both sides of the stairs, so the nosing only needs to cover the front part. This homeowner opted to not use the vinyl as the risers, lots do, but they particularly liked the white riser look. They originally wanted to just paint what was already there, but we indicated to them and showed them that these risers right now that are on there that are painted, they get dirty quite quickly, and they're very difficult to clean with the paint and the finishes that are available. So when we go ahead and put the white riser into place, this has a finish on it that makes it super easy to clean and wipe down. Any spills or anything like that, scuffs from people's toes, they're not going to leave a mark like those painted surfaces are. Also really important when you're doing this process, those risers are really a key to making sure that that stair nosing has that really beautiful finish at the end. And while we are very exact with our cuts, it just gives that extra bit of crispness and finish to the property. And you can see the difference. You can see there's that white there that's painted right now, but it gets those markings on it so incredibly quickly. And then we're going to go ahead and put this one into place, and you're just going to be able to see that incredible difference that's there. So, and especially in person, it's just incredibly vibrant. The customers were so excited as we started getting this up. Very happy with that decision that they had made. The nosings themselves, we do make these at Step Up Vinyl. That's the main part of our business. So even if you want to be doing the installation yourself, you can reach out to us and we can make these nosings for you. You provide the vinyl plank flooring and we modify them into that nosing shape. We have a lot of customers asking us why we go from the bottom to the top because, of course, PL Premium, it takes up to about 24 hours to fully set. But there is a really important reason for it. So these nosings, as you can see, the one plank has been bent and then it is clicked onto another board. And that second board is going to be cut. We use a table saw. It's going to be ripped for that lengthwise. So while that cut is exact as possible, there can be some slight imperfections along it. So when you put it on first and then put the riser over top, again, it's going to have one very perfectly straight manufactured edge that's going to go down at the bottom. It's going to cover any slight imperfections. And then the cut edge for it is going to be up at the top. And that's going to be covered by the next lip that goes on. So as we get this one on into place, that lip is covering the top of the riser. You can see here that the installer is doing a really great job of avoiding stepping on the stairs as much as possible. And when it is absolutely necessary, we're going to make sure we're using straight down pressure, stepping as close to the inside as possible, so that those are not being moved or adjusted along the way. All of these are dry fit and cut ahead of time. No, we're not trying to deceive you with how easy this is, as some commenters have tried to allude. This is simply the process that we do. So we come out, we spend a full day cutting the nosings, getting everything labeled. You can see the tape and the stickers on these to know exactly which step it is, because yes, especially in older properties like this, beautiful. Each step is going to look a little bit different. You can see here on this property, while the bottom ones were those closed stairs, these ones are going to be what we call open stairs. So that means one of the sides does not have a wall on it, and therefore that step doesn't just need the nosing along the front, it needs it along the side here. So once again, we do make these nosings here, and then we come on out and do that installation. So that is what we are going ahead and doing here and getting into place. You can see, yes, there's some tape on there. We like to make sure they're nice and secure while that installation process is happening, and then that will be removed after the fact. Okay, some keys when you're doing this part, the risers themselves, you need to make sure that that open side is adjusted. So if it's vinyl, we actually wrap that edge with the vinyl. In this case, with the white, it has that finish on that left edge as well. That is open and seen there. So we're going to go ahead and finish this one up and then move on to that final staircase. As I mentioned, if you'd like to get your nosings made, please check us out on the website at stepupvinyl.ca. There's a contact us form, and you can let us know your preferred method and we'll get back to you right away. Or if you'd like us to come on out and do an installation, it's the same process and you can do that. If you have absolutely any questions about any aspect of this, please shoot us a comment below and hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. We do have much slower versions with a lot more detail about how and why to do any of these things. If you got vinyl from us and you're wanting help with that installation, we got you covered. There is a little bit of caulking that we do along the edges as a final finish on these that we're not going to show here. But like I said, there's lots of videos there, even as far down as buying vinyl if you're starting this process and you're wanting to figure out what to look for. So if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. We'd love it if you'd subscribe. And we're just going to watch out the rest here and see this absolute beautiful finish. The customers are over the moon excited that we were able to make this happen for them. Look at that view from up above. They've chosen this really rustic wood, that wood-looking vinyl that goes so well with the property that they have, but now it's consistent with all of their floors, and it's made out of vinyl, so we got it waterproof, super easy to clean as people are in and out of the lake and into the property. Absolutely beautiful finish here with that white riser. It's the exact look they are looking for, and it's going to be nice and easy to maintain for them as well. So thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.